One of the benefits of using an actual tape emulation plugin as opposed to something that's just giving you tape harmonic distortion is they've given you the controls for the tape machine and you can screw it up. You can actually make it much more distorted than tape ever would have because you never would have misaligned your tape machine this much. So now I'm going to go ahead and give you that same kick and snare, and I'm going to start actually distorting the tape machine. You can hear how far you can go just with tape emulation. Now, yes, we are clipping a plugin, but unless the plugin is really badly set up, it's set up so that when I start cranking my record level, it's going to start distorting inside the plugin's model of the tape machine as opposed to just clipping the output of the plugin. So this is very much ultra tape saturation as well as clipping the electronics of the tape machine itself.